Hey everyone, I'm Joey with Joey's Balloon Company, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to build a medium-sized balloon arch outdoors for under 40 bucks. The total length of the arch is 20 feet and has adjustable dimensions. This setup will be outdoors and next to a structure. This one was outside under an overhanging entrance. You can also build these indoors and generally don't need to secure the top of the arch with fishing line attachment points. For this freestanding outdoor arch, you would need to find attachment points for securing the arch with fishing line. I used the handrail to the ladder as the back attachment point and an outdoor lamp post as the front attachment point. This was a backdrop for pictures and no one was going to be walking through it, so a low attachment point on the backside worked for this arch. For an outdoor freestanding arch, you'll want high attachment points over 7 feet tall so no one runs into the fishing line. If there are no high attachment points, tie extra balloons to fishing line so guests are able to see where the fishing line is. For our build today, we are going to center the arch according to the driveway entry for the event guests to see as they approach the backyard entrance. Some supplies you'll need are 20 feet of a flexible rod such as tent rods or half-inch PVC conduit. I order arch frames on Amazon which include the flexible connectable rods, bases, and water bag weights. My water bag weights and bases were thrown away at an event, so today I'm using concrete paver blocks with a hole in the middle of it that fits half-inch PVC. I bought 5 feet of half-inch PVC and cut it in half for a 2.5 foot length on each side. I found the concrete pavers at Home Depot in the garden section. You'll also need a tarp, extension cord, electric balloon inflator, and about 70 balloons of each color you'll be using. This event host wanted to double up on the color blue as the main color, so I came prepared with at least 140 blue, 70 white, and 70 silver. I bring extra balloons of each color because balloons popping is inevitable during your arch build process. Plug in your extension cord and do your best to place it where there is a minimal tripping hazard for anyone who could be walking through the area. Since we're outside and the wind could blow away the balloons, instead of blowing up all the balloons at once, we'll be attaching one quad at a time to the frame as we inflate the balloons. First, blow up 2 colors and tie the nozzles in a double knot. This pairing is a double. Do it again with the other 2 colors to create 2 doubles. Put the 2 doubles together by placing the nozzles of each double close to each other and twisting the top 2 balloons of opposite doubles. You're going to stack quads on top of each other along the frame to build this medium balloon arch. To attach the quads to the frame, determine what your color scheme will look like. I want my 2 blues on opposite sides of my quad to create a dark spacing between the silver and white and not have a large chunk of blue in my spiral. Before placing the quad on the frame, twist 2 balloons so that they switch places. Slide the quad onto the frame between the 2 balloons that you twisted, then twist them back after the frame is in the center of the quad. Push the quad down and repeat. Here it is again. I'm going to line up all of my colors and then I'm going to switch 2 of them, slide it onto the frame, and then switch them back, which secures the quad to the frame, and then I'm going to push it down so that it's nice and snug against the quad below it. Let's see how fast we can build this arch. Whoa! I got halfway done in about 5 seconds. The wind is picking up and the event hosts are telling me exactly where they want the arch. They've given me permission to drill a screw above their garage to use as an attachment point to secure the arch. I'm going to drill between the trim and the siding at a downward 45-degree angle so that the screw hole this leaves when I take the screw out will not be visible at eye level. Since I'm building my arch against the side of a structure, I want to pull the top of the arch towards the structure because I want to secure it and prevent it from falling outwards away from the structure. I'm going to see where the center of the arch is and drill the screw in that position. When I attach fishing line to the frame, then to the screw, I'm going to pull tight and make sure the arch stays about the same distance from the garage from the bottom of the arch to the top of the arch. The sun's moving a little bit and the garage is providing a small amount of shade, so I'm going to move my supplies and hopefully work in the shade a little bit. Keeping balloons out of the sunlight will also help them last longer. Now let's get back to work. I'm going to lift the arch frame slightly to fit the last quad underneath the rest of the arch, then gently lower the frame back down. If this has been helpful for you so far, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more quick and simple balloon tutorials. Thanks for watching. Now here are some very useful tips for repairing your balloon arch and organizing your supplies. Here's a quick tutorial for how to fix a balloon that pops on your arch. Look along the color spiral for a gap. There's a gap in the white spiral here, so I know a white balloon goes in that spot. Inflate a new balloon to the same size as all the others and tie that nozzle to a nozzle in the quad that is missing the balloon. You'll want to double knot it or it won't stay in place. After you've asked the event host to look over it, offer to make any adjustments before you leave and schedule a time with them to break down the arch and retrieve the supplies once their event is over. Here's a super easy way to roll an extension cord without twisting or knotting it. Make sure there's no knots already, then bring one end of the cord to the other. This will take half the time to roll it rather than rolling the entire cord from end to end. It will also prevent the cord from twisting and knotting. Hold the cord in front of you with palms down and create large loops by spreading your arms. Then grab the end of the loop with one hand and repeat. Once you find the end of the cord, wrap it around the bunch a few times and pull the last loop through the rolled cord. You can use this small loop to hang on a nail if you hang your extension cord. Wrap up your tarp and you're good to go. If this was helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more quick and simple balloon tutorials. Leave a comment to let us know what you liked about this video or what we could have done better, and hit the notification bell to be notified whenever we post a new video. Thanks so much for watching and good luck with your balloon arch build. I'm Joey, I'll see you all again soon.